Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly press on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press on the notification bell to get notifications anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy coins on the Binance blockchain in your Trust wallet. So let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to be able to buy coins in your Trust wallet, you would need, especially coins in the BNB smart chain, you will need a coin called BNB to be able to do that. And you can get the BNB coin from Binance, from MEXC, from KuCoin and other exchanges. But whatever I'm going to show you in here using my Binance, you can use the same thing on your KuCoin or MEXC and to be able to buy coins in your Trust wallet. So first of all, this is my Binance and I have some money in my USDT. So I want to buy some BNB here on Binance. So you go to the search button at the topmost corner, search button. Then you search for BNB USDT. So this is BNB USDT. So you see the one with spot. Don't press on the one with futures. If you press on the one with futures, that means that you want to trade. But I want to buy the one on the spot market. So you press on the spot. Then you would see buy and sell. So you press on buy. So when you press on buy, what you need to do is that you need to enter the amount of money that you want to use to buy your BNB. But first of all, on yours you see something in here called market. So you need to change it to what? You see limit. So you need to change it from limit to market. So you are going to see something like this. If you are new in here, you see something like this. So you have to change it from limit to market. So when you change it to market, this is what you will see. Then what you need to do is that you need to type the amount that you want to buy. So I want to buy 52 USDT. So you type in 52 USDT, then you press on buy. So when you press on buy, now I've bought USDT, I've bought BNB in my spot wallet. So let's go to my spot wallet to check if I have my BNB in here. So I have about $51.54 in BNB. So now what you need to do next is I have to transfer the BNB from my Binance wallet to my Trust wallet. So you go to your Trust wallet. When you go on your Trust wallet, you would you would have to send the BNB into your Trust wallet. So this is my Trust wallet and I want to send in some BNB in here to be able to buy coins on the Binance smart chain. So you select the BNB smart chain, the one with the black and the yellow logo. So you press on it. When you press on it, you just press on receive. Then this is my wallet address. So you copy the wallet address. Then you go back to your Binance. So when you go back to your Binance, you press on the BNB, which is in your spot wallet. Then you press on what? Withdraw. So when you press on withdraw, you press select via crypto network. Then, so whatever I'm doing in here, you can do the same thing on other exchanges to be able to send your money from that exchange to your Trust wallet. So you paste the address in here. When you paste the address in here, then you would select the network. So the network is what? Binance Smart Chain. Don't go and press on OPBNB. When you press on OBNB, your money might get messy. So you press on Binance Smart Chain. Then I'm sending everything, which is max. And I press on withdraw. So when you press on withdraw, you press on confirm. When you press on confirm, now I have to use my Google Authenticator to authenticate this transaction because I've secured it. Because most of you, I know you secured it with your passkey. So 619975. So 619975. So now this is how to fund your Trust wallet using BNB. So now I've funded my Trust wallet. I've sent the money in here. So I have to wait for some time to see for the money to reflect in my Trust wallet, right? So you wait. It doesn't keep long. Maybe some 5 minutes. It will reflect in my wallet, right? So now the money is in my Trust wallet. So I have the money in here. So now I've received the money in my Trust wallet. So now I want to buy a coin on BNB, and the name of the coin, I sent a coin to my premium group, which is called Katamoto. So I want to buy Katamoto in my Trust wallet. So what I need to do is I need to copy the contract address of Katamoto, copy the contract address, then go back to my Trust wallet. So when you go to your Trust wallet, you need to go to discover. When you go to discover, you look for pancake swap. So you go to DEX, Dex. When you press on Dex, discover when you press on Dex, you see pancake swap in this. When you press on pancake swap, you'll be able to buy the coins in this. So now let's connect to pancake swap. So this is pancake swap. So I have to connect my wallet to pancake swap to my wallet, right? So I press on connect. So now I've connected. So the BNB that I have is showing in here. So like the same way that you've been buying coins in your Phantom wallet, that's the same way you do it in here. So BNB, so you press on cake, then you paste the contract address in here, you paste it. So the coin is called Katamoto. You press on Katamoto, then you press on the amount of money that you want to use it to buy. So I want to use all the money that I have in my wallet to buy. So I press on max. So I want to leave and always make sure that you leave some money for transaction fees. So I want to do it 50. So now I've done it $50. Then you press on swap. So press on swap, then you press on confirm swap. Confirm swap. You have to wait for some time. Then you press on confirm, you enter your password, then now it's processing. You have to wait for some time. So now transaction completed. So when you are done, you need to press on add kata to your wallet, or when you go back to your wallet, you see that the coin is not reflecting in there. Then you press on import. So now I've imported the coin into my wallet. So now I'm done. All what I need to do is disconnect my wallet from Trust Wallet, from the pancake swap, then go back to my wallet. So you refresh. Okay. So now this is it. So I have Katamoto in here. So Katamoto, although I've bought it, but the balance is not showing. But I have Katamoto in my wallet worth $50. So this is basically how to buy coins in your Trust Wallet. And if you want to sell, you do the same thing, opposite of what I did. So you go to your Discover, you go to pancake swap. When you go to pancake swap, you have to connect your wallet. So my wallet has been connected. Switch to BNB chain. So my wallet has been connected, and now you've made money from the coin. So BNB has to be at the down, then cake will be at the top. Then you paste the address in here. Then you press on Katamoto, then you press on max. When you press on max, you see it's showing, the value is showing 50.08 USDT. Then you press on swap. So this is basically how to buy and sell coins in your Trust Wallet on the BNB chain. Thank you everyone. Bye.